Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to use your Cash App with your Afterpay, or you want to use Afterpay with your Cash App account, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your Afterpay account. Now from here you can find the magnifying glass icon that is a search icon. Simply click on search and you can find the discover section where you can search for different types of brand stores and companies from here. So you can search for like Cash App from here. So you can find lots of company and organizations are available to integrate with your Afterpay account. So you can search for Cash App. If you find it, then you can add your Cash App account with your Afterpay. Or if you can find Cash App from here, so don't worry, you have to do is open your Cash App or you open your Afterpay, then go to your payment tab that you want to complete the payment. Then when you simply click on pay or send button, then you may find the payment method as a Cash App as a payment method. So you have to simply use Cash App as a payout method, then it will integrate with your Cash App account with your Afterpay account. So Afterpay is now Cash App Afterpay. You can see it is under the Cash App company, so you can easily use Cash App or combine Cash App balance with your Afterpay account. So you can pay or deposit money from Cash App to your Afterpay, and you can connect the both platform together. Make sure that you have the updated version of Afterpay and Cash App also. So that's the two way that how you can actually connect your Afterpay account with your Cash App account. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.